numbers. So then you have to go to mystery investment opportunities and open that.
Maybe I clicked the wrong thing then.
That has just years from 1963 to 2011, and then it has columns A through E. And so I think the columns are companies and their stats.
Okay.
It's just one random stat. It doesn't tell you what it is, but I assume that's what it's going off of. Actually, I could check. I have the key here and see if that actually fits the numbers I was coming up with. Where are we?
Yeah, I haven't looked at the answer key yet either.
Okay, where? Scroll down. Picture. Yeah, it's the. Okay. Well, that's the right sheet anyway, because the mean is all correct for all my calculations. I'll be honest, I'm still trying to figure out a prettier way to do standard deviation. I don't know if I missed a short way to calculate that, but doing the math for every single one of those was brutal.
Philip, there's a formula in Excel for it.
I knew there had to be.
It's stdev.s.
You at 2B.
And it saves so much time.
I was like, nah, it's okay. I'll just pretend.
You probably know it better than the rest of us then.
Probably.
Oh, that killed me.
Well, I kind of did it the long way, but I still used Excel. So I let them figure out the average for me and all that. But calculating after I got those numbers.
Gotcha. I only knew that because I'd taking an Excel class too. And this week was standard deviation week.
What class are you taking?
B215?
I took that last semester, I think. Is that spreadsheet analysis?
Yeah, it's just Excel 101.
Good luck, friend. There's so
Is it tough?
much work. So much work.
Oh yeah, I'm already learning that, and it's useless work too.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, yeah.
The day I finished, I was like, oh, it was the best day ever.
Great. Okay. Well, were there any more questions on?
So really quick, so I'm just looking, I pulled up the website, it's the data from BYU Idaho. Is it just under the data Excel files? Because like we said, there's like 6B, 7B companies. Do we just do all of them? Or which?
Just Control F and look for mystery investments.
Oh, mystery investments.
And then click on that link, and there's just
okay.
4 companies.
There we go. I was like, dang, that's a lot of A's and B's, but that makes more sense. Okay. Okay, then I can just do that. That's not a problem then.
Then you just find the mean, sample size, standard deviation, make a histogram.
That's right. I just needed to know where to get the data. So.
Yeah. I don't think there's anything too tough that you have to do with it.
Yeah. I mean, here.
So those are just stock prices, right? Stock price stats.
Stock performance, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are stock prices. They are.
So I'm curious, on number 10, it says create a table and to compute standard deviation by hand using data severe bird flu data. do they just want a table and then? Because I mean, technically, are we just going to use Excel anyway to calculate this, or do you want to just do we have to spell out the math on how to do it by hand?
The way I interpreted that is you just have to make the table
Mhm.
that would let you compute standard deviation. So
It was the table they already started, right, in lesson 3?
yeah, I was thinking it was just like a list of like each data point in the sample and then like its deviation from the mean.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because I know they did one like in the reading. They start a table or something, and you just go with that.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Sweet. Same here.
Okay, pulling up the quiz.
I started looking at it this morning. It'd be terrible if I did it right, but
I'm dying, guys. I'm not awake. Okay, let's do this then.
Okay.
Okay. True. Oh, we need that file.
Okay.
patience. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This is just.
Oh my gosh. All right. 412. Fantastic. Well, that's a start.
Holy crap! Where's the bottom of this data table? Okay, so first is the mean of the wrong site, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Having trouble downloading this thing.
You have a formula in Excel for mean?
Yeah, it's just the
Average.
average.
Oh, average. Okay, because typing in mean is like, what is that?
The textbook was so adamant about not using the word average, you don't even think you're wait.
Right.
So this is for the wrong side. Did everybody else get like 80,041.24?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I
This
got.
guy did.
Sweet. Let's do it.
I really like it when I get the right answer.
Yes.
So we don't use
Yeah,
decimals.
Yeah, it said, doesn't it say we round? Oh, did hear the whole dollar? Okay, you're right. It did say. I read the thing right before it that said round to 3 decimals, and then right on the question, round to the whole. Yeah, okay. I'm literate.
Yeah, it was particular about 3 decimals, huh?
Yeah, and then on the question itself, it says round to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay.
Slipped it in there. Just wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the same thing. 80,041.
All right. Now we're doing the median.
Yes.
Oh, Excel, you are my friend. Got 68,552.
Mhm. That's what I got.
$68,552. Is that what you said?
Mhm.
It's on the wrong site. Yeah. Okay.
Standard deviation. The amount paid. That's that same column.
Yeah, the hardest thing you got to remember is which column we're in. That sucks when you do it on the wrong column. Let's see. Are we using standard deviation P or standard deviation S?
S.
S.
We got 71,404.
Yes.
71,000, yeah, 404. Okay, yeah.
Everybody keeping up?
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's a lie. I'm lying. I'm not caught up. Good chance. Let me do this. Nope. Yep. And that. Oh, yes. Go back. Bar every time. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got there. Wow, that's a
So number 6. And then survival time.
I got 7.
Me too.
Mhm. Median survival.
What is that? 7 months? Oh, that
Yes,
sucks.
7 months.
It's not a great.
So what do we get? 7 months.
Mhm.
The median is 4.
Mhm.
Yeah. Even worse.
Man, I love Excel.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Just
Okay. Number 8. So I got 12. Right? Or no?
Okay. So the mean, oh, that's the same numbers. The mean is 7, and that data point is 19. So yeah.
So 12 is that what we got?
Mm-hmm. And then let's figure out B. So it would be 1 minus 7, which is 6, and then square that, right?
Be 36.
Mm-hmm.
36. What everybody else got?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm asleep here. Where are we at? Are we on?
Number 9.
You're on number 9. Okay. What did you get for 8?
8 would be 12.
12. Okay.
You take 19 minus the mean,
Yeah.
which is 7.
The mean. Yeah, I got you. Okay. Okay. And then now I got to look up the chart. So 36. Sorry, man. I am on this.
So number 10. Okay. Standard deviation of survival times.
I got 8.2. Is that what you got?
I got, trying to figure out where I did my work.
Oh yeah, if you're after the rounding, correct.
Yeah, it changes the rounding rule on this one.
Yeah, pretty. I think that's one of the things that we're being taught in this lesson is that change without notice.
Yeah.
I guess there is notice, but it's on every question.
Okay.
And then we have to do a 5-number summary for the wrong patients.
So the first number is the minimum.
Mhm.
So 0.
Yeah.
Wait. Start over. On question 11, I don't know if I'm just that asleep, but I am. What numbers are these?
So 5-number summary is the minimum, the first quartile, second quartile,
Oh yeah, gosh.
and then the maximum.
Yeah.
Median and something else, quartile or something like that. And what was the second one? The second one's the first quartile.
The second number is the first quartile.
Okay. So how are you guys computing to get your first quartile?
I am typing equals quartile.exe.
Oh, okay.
I'm hoping that's right. Does anybody know how to do it how they showed in the book though? Just check because I'm not sure if this is right.
The first quartile is the 25th percentile.
Okay.
I'm confused on the Excel instructions for how to do quartiles.
That is confusing, huh?
Paste your data on the left. We're using the data from the wrong patient, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I just went and copied all the numbers of the wrong patient into that quantitative descriptive statistics Excel thing. Y'all,
Oh yeah. I'm just downloading
I
that.
just copied that on the left, and once I did that, it just popped up all the info already. So
So they just did that
So is
for
that
us
what we're
already.
supposed to do with this class? Just use that sheet?
I guess so.
Dang, that'd be nice. That's so we started our data. So you just dropped all the wrong patient data in A2, and
mhm. I just figured that out right now. So the second number would be the first quartile.
so it's
Is it 3,900?
I'll get this in.
Which thing did you drop that into? What spreadsheet was that? That was you're talking about the spreadsheet that we originally downloaded with this, right? With the can't even figure out descriptive words.
I don't remember where I got this, honestly. I have like 12 pages open.
Oh, okay. So if you go to the reading, that's where you got it from.
Oh yeah.
That's where I went. So you go to the reading down there, percentiles and quartiles. It says take the wrong patient information, and then there's another Excel book. It'll take you to another web page. But yeah, for the first quartile, I got 3,900 as well.
Okay. That's what I got just by using the
Why am I not getting that?
quartile formula.
Quartile. I'm looking, yeah, quartile A to A. Okay, you have to do an array. That's why. Okay.
That's not what I'm getting for mine.
What did you get for yours?
Mine says 961.
Oh, what a nice spreadsheet.
I am saving this spreadsheet.
Yeah, me too.
Holy crap, this is going to be super useful. Force me to build all your own stuff.
So Kylie, you're using that spreadsheet, but you're getting a different number?
Yeah. I don't know why. But if y'all all are getting that same number.
Can you screen share with us?
What?
Can you screen share with us?
How do I do that?
Here, I'll show you mine. So you see this, I'm in the spreadsheet on the right, or I'll make it big. And you just paste the wrong patient data in there.
Mm-hmm. That's so weird.
That's give you something different.
And you're using the right side data?
Yeah, the patient.
The wrong patient.
Yeah.
All right. Well, maybe something's just weird with mine today.
Okay.
Dude, I think the biggest find out of this was that spreadsheet.
I think so. I never would have done that.
So what did y'all get for it then?
3,900. Just saving that sucker. Crap, dude. That is so nice because I mean, it just lays everything out for you, like everything for the rest of the whatever. It just does it all. Dang, love it. I know I'm geeky about that kind of stuff.
And then third quartile is also on here, 5,145.5.
Let me see. Third quartile.
Right.
That's
Fourth
because
number.
that's the 75th percentile, right?
Right.
Yeah. 50,145.5.
Yep.
Do we have to round? Okay, round to the nearest cent.
That's number 13.
So do we have to add the 0 in there? 50?
I don't know. If it's the nearest cent, then I get maybe it would be 50.
Hey, what
Let's see.
so what y'all get? Sorry.
Oh, 50,145 and 50 cents.
50, yeah.
Here, Kylie, you can look at
Hmm.
my screen.
Just out of curiosity, how do you do that screen share?
Just on the left of the Google Hangout screen,
Ah, there I see it.
little green box. Yeah.
Sweet. Very cool.
Okay. Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Their conclusion was too many seconds.
Too many. Twice the normal number.
That's the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. Okay. This one's like vertical. So the box plot just shows the 5 numbers, right?
Yeah.
Minimum, maximum, and the quartiles are right here.
Yeah, because it's min. Is that just the min and max, and then there's the mean in the first and third quartile?
Yep.
Okay. So the third quartile, we're looking at like that one, like 185 or 190 or something.
Yeah, it's hard to say, huh? Oh, an estimated number.
Yeah. What do we want to estimate?
I'd say it's like 180.
Okay. Let's do 180. I think as long as they know you're in the range of the right quartile, then we're fine.
In the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Longest is like 710, 720.
That's like 720 seconds.
Man, the people I'm waiting behind take way longer than that.
Yeah, it's minutes, man. We're talking several minutes. Well, 720 seconds is that's a good chunk of change.
That's a good chunk of time.
Change for minutes, I guess, right?
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna guess 720.
Yeah. Sounds
Yeah,
good.
it's 720.
What is?
The mean. Now, how would you guess the mean from this?
Maybe it cannot be determined.
Well, is it the mean the third number, or
That's the median.
oh, that's the median, not the mean? Okay.
Yeah, I'm leaning towards cannot be determined. I mean, you can guess it's somewhere in between 75 and 180, probably. But well, I would guess 105. If we don't get it right, I'm going to try 105.
Yeah, did we
Yeah.
get 2 attempts on the quiz, or?
See, I would have just hip shot 105, but then after I look at it, I'm how many people are in those? You know, the box ranges. Is it like 10 people? Is it like 1,000 people? Because it'll
Right.
off fairly significantly.
Yeah, that can make a big difference.
And I think the median is exactly 105. So that makes me think that it's a trick question and they don't want us to pick 105.
No.
Median is 105, but we asked you for the mean, which is a serious.
Right.
Hold on. So it's sorry. It's cannot be determined. I already submitted it.
Oh,
And before you submit
thank-
them all, or before you submit it, number. Okay, wait. What? Did y'all put 8.2? I don't think I changed or put the right thing for number 10.
yeah, number 10, 8.2.
Okay, I don't know why, but I put a 7 on accident. Oops. So that's the only one I missed. So I'll just fix that. So hopefully I'll get all the other ones right.
Well, let's submit a quiz and we'll see if it is.
Yeah.
On the, I still haven't calculated the 11 and 12 because me old bros. And I was
11 is 0. And 12 is 3,900.
If you fix that 8.2, you'll get 100. That's the right answer.
8.2, right?
Yep.
Yep.
All right. I gotta go, guys.
Okay. See
Been
you.
a pleasure. See ya.
Thank y'all. Bye.
What did you guys get for 11 and 12?
11 was 0, just because it's the lowest.
Oh, yeah,
It's the minimum.
the minimum. Okay.
And then 12 is 3,900. We just know that because of our magic spreadsheet.
Okay. Well, I'll go over that again as
The
soon
magic
as
spreadsheet.
the spreadsheet decides it's going to be done loading. So,
Oh, yours is taking forever to load? That sucks.
yeah, for some reason, my computer decided that it was like gonna. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I don't look at this computer. I have like 4 computers in this room. So,
Oh, sweet.
it's my my device.
Whoa.
Nice.
So I do the chat on this for the old webcam, but because my computer is usually a lot better, except for today, not so much.
Do you do like is that you like a computer? I mean, obviously computer work. You do a lot of it just like passion, or that's like your work utilizing. Or is that just for fun?
This is really, it's just for fun. I mean, yeah, I mean, really, that's what I use it for. It's just for funsies. Normally, I mean, it's a full-on monstrosity. I have on a day where I'm not doing like homework, it doesn't have just homework in every single tab and page. But I'll have like a video game going and group chat with my friends and something on Netflix going on. And usually homework is still open because I have.
Okay, well, I will post this video.
All right, sweet.
I was so shocked last time there was no spot for it. I was bummed. But yeah, I'll post this. Good work, everyone.
Yeah. Save the magic spreadsheet.
Yeah, I'm kidding. See y'all on Tuesday, right?
Yep, Tuesday. 8 o'clock.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Sweet.